I'll tell you, Lordship, where the whole, I would say, mischief is. This is an advertisement of 22 and 23. If you do an advertisement of 22, 23 and call applications, then you can't hold an exam in 25 after 3 years without calling people who became eligible between 22 to 25. That is one. But why they didn't do that exam till 25 is something very sinister. I'll show that. Because in 21, when the judgment came, your lordships gave them 6 months to decide on the vacancies. Your lordship said that till you are not able to decide the vacancies, the Parveen Law Authority, which is in paragraph 51 of your lordship's judgment, should be followed, which says that two special teachers in every school. That's the norm which is acknowledged by your lordships till they do that exercise. After 6 months time got over, they did nothing. Then your lordships for the first time started looking at ad hoc teachers. Then your lordship started asking the data with regard to ad hoc teachers. We are all appointed prior to 2020. We are about 1400, although only 450 are before your lordships. I'm representing only 450. The others have not chosen to come. Your lordships can confine relief to 450.
That's right.
1 second. Now I did when you started. So this exercise was not done by them. Even till date, it's not till date not done. So your lordships then in 2022, for the first time, started looking at the ad hoc teachers all over the country. 23, your lordship said that please give the data. 24, your lordship said form a screening committee because you have failed to do what we have asked you to do in the 21 judgment. So you do a screening committee and appoint these people. That all happened. After that order of 7th March 25, saying that you screen these people and appoint them, they do the examination of 22 and 20. Examination is held in June of 25. After your lordships have taken a decision in March to say that people who are already working should be screened and appointed. Your lordships, in fact, decided the screening committee also.
Well,
I'm representing 45, but about 1400 are working.
No,
1771 are working. Selection is 9.57.
I am making, may I just submit minutes and it will support minutes.
The category in which we are working, sir.
No, the number is increased by 5 seats, minutes. The number is increased.
No, it will not be. I'll tell you, Lordship. Because in that, as my friend pointed out, there are vacancies in different categories.
Answer one question. The ad hoc teachers' rights displays on 7th March 25.
No, it started finally, yes.
Said that you now look into them.
Appoint them. No screening committee and appoint.
Prior to that, everything was fluid.
No, it was not fluid. Your lordship, I'll show the orders. Your lordship started that is
in 22 when this advertisement was issued. You had no semblance of a right for regularization.
I appreciate that. I'm not working for the last 15 years. No, I'll tell you. Some of us applied also, but we are also teaching. Please appreciate the.
Well, let's say some.
I'll tell you, Lordship. So some of us applied.
May be permitted to.
Just appreciate.
Either,
my lord, if your lordship will see, we are appointed for 10-15 years.
And that's when you take minutes.
I'll show your lordship. I'll show year-by appointment.
Minutes.
Most of us are prior to 2020.
No, minutes.
So it's not a case where this stand of the state, and then lordship several judgments have held. No, Lord, 945 should not be blocked. I'm not saying, I'm not going into that. I'm not going there. I'm saying appoint us and then whatever are remaining. Your lordships have.
826 posts are there.
No, 826 is not after 945. After 945.
I will be in a better position to assist on facts, Millets.
Only 200 will remain after 945. Only 200 will remain.
Millets, if I may apprise Millets, insofar as Mr. Singh's clients are concerned, Millets, Mr. Singh submitted that they've been working for 10-15 years. Now in Delhi, Millets, the contractual engagement actually started in 2010 with just 3 people. I have the data, Millets. In 14, if I may just point out, Millets, in 2013, Millets, 33 were engaged. In 14, 147. 15, 14. Then no recruitment in 16. Then 17, 167. 18, 19, no recruitment. Substantial numbers actually came in 2020, Millets, which is 517. And in 2 years, we came up with the advertisement, Millets. So what I'm submitting is, unlike other states, Millets, there are 3 factors. Unlike other states where people have been working for more than 20 years or let's say 15 years. employed for the first time in 2020, Melons, they are making their claim for regularization. Now in 26, when we actually issued advertisement in 22 and 23, and they were completely eligible to participate in the exam. Some of them participated, failed. Some chose not to sit for the exam. So to give them Melons,
You are representing 400 plus.
455.
450.
455.
You have filed an application.
No, I'm the one, it's my writ petition before you. It is in my writ SLP, your lordship has stayed.
Out of this 450, how many were engaged in 2020?
So we are all prior to 2020. All prior to 2020, except for 7. Only 7.
They have given the figure.
No, I'll give that.
He has given the figure.
No, only 7 are appointed.
so if we are only referring to the petition, Melons, I can respond with their service tenure, Melons.
This is
Page 11.
Only 7
of the affidavit of the government.
Only 7 are appointed.
Year by year have been given.
Only 7 are appointed in 2023. Otherwise, everybody is
All the figures are there.
16 teachers. She is saying that only 3 teachers were appointed. Yes, 16. Around
2010, Melons, I said
2010, you
may I just
26 teachers were appointed.
And your lordships can't have a different formula for different states.
no, it has
3 years
Melons.
hiatus. What about the eligibility of candidates who became eligible between 22 to 25? It's more than...
We'll hold the exam, Melons, again.
No, but that can't be a basis for you to close the date at when.
In 2022, the advertisement was published. What's stopping from applying?
Some of us have applied also. I'm not denying that. Problem is not working people. Either you give us weightage of working.
Yes, we have done that, Melons.
No, they have not given any
No,
weightage.
not weightage. They've given age relaxation for
Only age
participation in the
relaxation.
exam.
Lot people were taking classes and not correcting papers and also appearing in. They stand at a great disadvantage.
That's all. 2022, you could not have visualized this order coming in March 25.
No, the order of 22 had started. The first order to identify ad hoc started in 22.
We will not allow regularization in this manner that those who are competing with each other.
But this competition is a total sham. A 22 advertisement lot exam being held in June of 25 after your lordship not crystallized.
No advertisement as far as...
Not because 3 years you have not... people who became eligible in those 3 years.
Challenge on available ground.
But that will be a separate ground will have to start. If your lordships are
Will allow 945 to be appointed, subject to result of your regime.
Lord, please appreciate, Lord.
Are agreed by this election process. There's concrete facts before us. You say there is a minister motive. There may be...
No, I can place it just now. I can place it just now.
Has to be on affidavit.
No, I can do that as a separate affidavit also. Then your lordship will reserve my liberty to challenge. Because this is a clearly thought to say.
You're saying it will be subject to result.
Yes.
Melons,
In 5 weeks of the order dated so-and-so,
And amongst
Madam Swati has placed before us
Melons, for clarity,
only one small
petition of that's very necessary for Melons, the dictating the order, Melons.
only one small at least Lord, there are 200 of us in the TGD category who will also get accommodated considering the vacancies. So whoever balance are there, at least those should be accommodated immediately.
No, balance we are not directing. We are now directing filling about 945.
Subject to subject to.
Lordship, one more thing. The remaining thing with regard to RP, CWCS, they have not said anything. So they should also be appointed. Because there are...
Except
Please, just... The incident was with regard to TGC. With regard to TGT. CGT only.
PGT, yes.
CGT only. They can't take over, march over those for RP, CWSS. When I was appointed to last 15 years.
And my lord, it's my category.
No advertisement. Like this, no advertisement.
945, madam, is for PGT.
TGT, Melons. That advertisement was for TGT. TGT. Melons may take up separate categories separately, Melons. Yes. Not concerning them.
No. Your case is not an easy case. Whether you are entitled for regulation or not will be looked into.
Yeah,
as per the order.
Melons,
But these people have participated in the process of selection. Let them be appointed.
Let's not come into what I say is 27 March order, which specifically says the screening committee should be there. They have cleared me and that screening committee that I am RCI qualified.
We'll look into that also. We'll look
pass the order, Millets. I want to point out, Millets have it in the seal cover, the results. If I may just point out one thing, Millets, what has happened is, there were two advertisements, Millets. Millets have the result of, the first advertisement, Millets, the results were prepared. Insofar as the second is concerned, Millets, we have given a list of 1076 candidates, Millets. There is a judgment passed by this Honorable Court, Millets, the issue which is not relevant to this, Millets, but with respect to reservation. There is a query raised by the DSSSB, Millets, to the Education Department as to how it is to be calculated. Once they respond, Millets, which they will do, Millets, at the earliest, we will come up with the final list, Millets. So I have given the shortlisted candidates for the second advertisement.
In fact, I wanted to order load of 300 October 25 here.
Yeah.
The 500 order.
Sir, I will have to address on both advertisements, sir.
Everything to again.
Sir, in the second one, there is an issue, sir. There is a query.
Madam, the forwarding
Yes.
says that merit list of 361
It's the qua first advertisement. With
61
qua the first advertisement.
2022.
That's right. Insofar as 2023 is concerned, we have given a list of shortlisted 1,776 candidates. There is a judgment, Millets, titled Chaya versus State of Maharashtra, Millets, which was passed, Millets, on 23rd of March 2026. The issue was with respect to whether the candidates who have claimed reservation, Millets, in the qualifying exam, whether then they can now claim it in the unreserved category. Millets, as per us, Millets, the judgment has to be applied prospectively and not retrospectively. Millets, I have
3rd March, why was it not pointed out to the other bench that this bench is considering?
Millets, that's not the issue. It's not a tech issue.
Nothing to do with special.
No, Millets. No, Millets. It's only reservation. So because it has to be applied, Millets. Here also it has to be applied.
If it is reservation with regard to special educators,
No, Millets. Teachers, Millets. There is a
Can he also be considered?
Yes, why not?
If he has not availed the benefit,
If he has not availed any concession, and if he is at the top of the list, why not?
then he will go to another category.
Sometimes I am not.
Anyway, what has this got to do now, stopping you from making?
Millets, there's a query raised by the board which conducted the exam to the Education Department whether how we should apply this. Only on this aspect, and then we,
Allow this 361 to be appointed.
and the other Millets, as soon as Millets, the department,
You get the clarification
very well. Millets will also,
back to us and get the clear.
very well, I'll do that, Millets. I'm great.
For the present, you appoint only 360.
Very well, Millets. I'll come up with, yes, very well, Millets.
So this is TGT, right?
That's right, Millets.
Trained graduate team.
That's right, Millets.
This before us, merit list of 361 nominated candidates against 364 vacancies which were advertised in 2022 and a merit list of 1,076 candidates. In pursuance of the advertisement issued in 2023. Ms. Fadil and Tanvir appearing for the NCT Delhi submits that certain clarifications have been sought with regard to reservation policy to be followed pursuant to a decision of this court dated 23rd March 26. SLP civil number so and so. We permit the NCT Delhi appoint the 361 selected candidates which were selected candidates out of the 364 vacancies advertised in 2022 subject to verification of antecedents and credentials. However, the appointments of such 361 candidates shall be subject to and abide by the result of the recommendation. That's Deshpande. Insofar as 1076 candidates are concerned, NCT Delhi shall obtain the leave of this court before making.
Milos में से एक हुआ the second advertisement. Advertisement of 2020
7-6.
of the advertisement of 2023.
It follows because we
Very
have
well,
to 107
Very well.
at the beginning of the order
Yes, Milos.
to obtain the leave of this court before making any other.
Very well, Milos. So we will, Milos, as soon as
Grant liberty to the contractual special teachers represented by Mr. Singh, their senior counsel, as well as other counsel, file appropriate application challenging the process.
Madam, yeah, my application is already there. My application is already
challenging. I want to say
not on that category. What you, as far as the special teachers are concerned,
This, sir,
Manoj, with regard to pre, start to
just 1 minute. RCI
no, not right now.
paragraph.
Just 1 minute. Sir.
Read as follows.
We have not published. We give it to the court. We have not published.
We permit those which have subscribed EET as an additional qualification to proceed with the elective.
Can order on PRT? No.
However, we shall ensure that that certificate being the statutory qualification, statutory mandatory qualification. No candidate without such qualification shall be on.
They should publish the results of the 23 exam.
Let them first obtain our
They don't appoint. I'm not saying that they appoint.
We'll talk to the court, Milos. It's so difficult.
Let them get the clarification. Let them approach us.
We'll do that, Milos. Very well.
Yes, Mr. Jha.
Daily wages guest teacher in Delhi, my lord. My IA number is 116709. What all I am paying, my lord, I have served to the learned amicus and the learned standing council, standing council. My application may be considered, my lord, 100% blind.
Since when are you engaged?
My lord, I am engaged 2021, man.
But this is with respect to which
What is
special school or general school?
My name is, my lord, sorry, my lord, my name is, my lord, this is that, my lord, my name is Parmanand Shukla.
Specialist in general school.
Special school or general school?
but not RCI qualified?
Yes, I am qualified. I have every qualification, my lord.
No. Are you teaching children with special needs?
Yes,
Then why are you doing general?
not
You are a special teacher.
special teacher. My lord, I am teaching in, my lord.
What is yours?
My lord, I have.
Madam, please take note of this.
Very well, Milos. Yes. Yes. Okay.
Candidates also, you need to reserve some post.
Yes, Milos, we do. We'll consider him, Milos.
My lord, may I point out only one thing?
I'm not unaware. I would. Milos, Yes. Yes, Milos. Yes.
Taking it up every week.
So, Milos, because it's too many numbers, Milos, it becomes a little. Yes, Milos, we'll favorably consider, Milos. So if you can, the number of IAs in this matter, Milos, I will do that, Milos.
Weeks time to obtain. Prospect of friends being appointed as a physically disabled member. Not children physically disabled.
This was support. Yes. SSA क्या हुआ?
523.
RMS से क्या हुआ?
तो किसमें है?
बड़ी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट की बात होती है ना? तो डायरेक्ट
वार्षिक
I
कोऑर्डिनेटर में
am qualified by screening committee. I have appeared before screening committee. I am RCI qualified. I am TET qualified. I do not fall under the TGT controversy or whatever they are. Those are still with. Screening committee has cleared. They are not responding me.
What about the doctors who have been
Yes, I'll come to that, Mellors. In fact, this is what I wanted to point out, Mellors. If Mellors are considering, Mellors may take up category-wise, it will assist the court, Mellors. In fact, because the basis of regularization, primary essential factor, Mellors, is the length of service. In fact, for PRT teachers, I will point out insofar as the Delhi government schools are concerned, first time contractual appointments have been made in 2023, and then thereafter I have filed an affidavit. It's not a record because I was
in the
many numbers, Mellors. I was
Your affidavit.
very well, Mellors.
Submit on affidavit.
I have done that, Mellors.
You filed it.
Yesterday I did, Mellors. It has. I wanted to mention the matter, but it's not on record.
In the 21
But Mellors, permit me.
paragraph,
In fact, Mellors, I would want to file a consolidated affidavit. There are some discrepancies here and there because of the number of schools under various categories. I will,
Within 2 weeks.
within a week, I'll file it, Mellors. Yes. No, Mellors, in the new affidavit, I've done that and I will.
Comprehensive affidavit dealing with all categories of contractual basis, the schools under the government and
Under the RP,
decision taken by the screening committee in terms of the order DSSSB
That's what I'm saying.
on screening of contractual schools shall also be included in such.
My lords, may please take category wise.
This is all categories, all categories.
Let her come with the affidavit. Let us not tell her what category, how the affidavit is to be drafted.
No, I'll address all, Mellors. I'll do that. Yes.
My lords, may I point out only one thing? In 2021 judgment, my lords, it was observed in the judgment that the existing teachers shall be rationalized first, and then, my lords, on remaining vacancies, it may be advertised. A portion is there, my lord. So I'm in 21. From 21, my lords, we were hopeful. So, and my lords, we are teaching for 6 hours, and thereafter, my lords, we are going and preparing chart for these special education teachers. There are so many, my lords, disabled people in our petition also. So many. So, my lords, kindly have merciful approach.
So I'll do that. Just because somebody has been appointed earlier.
no, I'm
Doesn't get her.
I show not that even the Taliban judgment, there is a reference to existing manpower who's already working.
Need the best. It's not that just filling up the
No,
post by
it's not something like that. Your lordships on 28, 10, 25, ask them.
interested.
Your lordships
With special needs have the best of
I'll explain, Lord. Your lordships have made a specific query in one order saying that how were these contractual teachers also appointed? And they filed an affidavit that even there was a merit system. It was not without any merit. It is clear there in their affidavit of 7th November 25 affidavit, very clearly they say that they followed a merit system. Anyway, I'll put all this plot in my substantive challenge which I'm filing. DP of Lord.
Petition. Each of the appointment letters shall mention this condition.
Please.
Yes, next date.
My lords, next date will be Gujarat, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, may I please have the affidavit of 12/7/2025, my lords.
Who is for Gujarat?
I'm appearing for Gujarat. It would not take any time, Mellors,